DJI is stepping up its game once again with the upcoming Mini 5 Pro, promising to push the boundaries of what's possible with a compact drone. But is it a real step forward, or just a modest refresh? In this overview, we'll unpack the expected upgrades to the camera, flying performance, and intelligent features that might set this model apart. Could this be the model that finally brings longer battery life, smarter obstacle avoidance, and cinematic-level video quality to the lightweight drone market? Or is the Mini 4 Pro still the better value? Let's dive in. The Mini series from DJI has long been a leader in delivering high-end features in a lightweight form. With the growing buzz around the Mini 5 Pro, expectations are climbing for noticeable advancements across the board, especially in imaging, AI-driven capabilities, and flight precision. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades is in the camera department. Speculations suggest the drone might come equipped with a larger 1-inch or enhanced 3/4-inch sensor. This would dramatically improve image sharpness, dynamic range, and low-light shooting. DJI could also add a 1.7 aperture lens or even a variable aperture to allow better control in challenging lighting situations. Expected features include 4000 at 60 frames per second, HDR support, and 10-bit color depth, making it an ideal tool for serious creators. There's even talk of AI-assisted scene recognition and auto-framing, which could take automated shots to a whole new level. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to hit the market in late 2025 or early 2026, following DJI's usual product cycle. With all these potential upgrades, a slight bump in price seems likely. Industry chatter points to a base price starting near $999, with bundles including high-end controllers like the RTWO pushing the price even higher. In terms of build, the drone is rumored to feature a sleeker, more aerodynamic design. It may use new materials to increase durability while keeping the weight under the crucial 250-gram limit. The folding design will likely remain, but with improved hinges and better gimbal protection to enhance portability and ruggedness. Another likely enhancement is a redesigned controller, aimed at giving users a more ergonomic, professional-grade experience. Better grip, more responsive controls, and refined build quality could make flying the Mini 5 Pro more intuitive and enjoyable. Battery life is another area where DJI might raise the bar. The new drone could offer over 40 minutes of airtime thanks to smarter battery management and new power-efficient tech. Real-time AI adjustments could help stretch battery performance without adding unnecessary weight. Fast charging and possibly a next-gen charging hub could also be in the mix, helping users recharge faster between flights. On the software side, DJI is expected to go further with AI and automation. Gesture controls, advanced object tracking, improved automatic exposure, and smarter subject recognition may all be included. These features could make filming hands-free content easier and more professional, helping even beginners get great results. With features like in drone editing, instant uploads, and cloud backups, content creators will likely benefit from a smoother workflow. The Mini 5 Pro may also refine the omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system found in the previous model. Enhanced sensors and more sophisticated collision avoidance AI could make flying safer and more precise. Improvements in return-to-home functionality, active track, waypoint missions, and cinematic flight paths could also appeal to experienced drone pilots and filmmakers looking for precision with less manual input. Altogether, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a significant leap forward for the compact drone segment. With potential improvements across camera quality, flight intelligence, and endurance, it could set a new standard for sub-250G drones. If DJI nails the balance between performance, pricing, and ease of use, this could become the new favorite for travelers, vloggers, and aerial photography pros alike. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, the Mini 5 Pro might just be the go-to drone of the next generation, if the final product lives up to the hype.